question says solve 10 minus 8.9. This will give us what? We've got this here, 10, and we've got 8.9. It's got decimal point, so we need to be aware of that. So we have 10, and we will be subtracting 8.9. Now we need to add a decimal point to 10 here, so it's going to be 10.0. The reason why we're doing this is because 8.9 has got one number after the decimal point, which is 9, and then we have 8 here. So this is how we're going to arrange it. Okay, let's subtract now. Now we need to borrow 1 from here, so we borrow 1 from here. We're left with 9. We bring it here, 10. 10 minus 9 is 1, and then we have 9. 9 minus 8 is 1. We will not forget the decimal point, and then we have 1 there. So the answer is what? 1.1. Our answer is 1.1. Beautiful. Solve 10 minus 2.3. We will start with the 10, and then 2.3. There's a decimal point here, so that means we need to create 1 for the 10. Okay, and we will also observe that there is a number after the decimal point for the 2.3. That means we need to create 1 circle there, 1 0 there, another circle there, 0. So we'll now fill this up. We have the decimal point there, and then we have a 2, and we have a 3. Now we can subtract. Okay, so what do we have? Now here we will borrow 1 from here and make it 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. Oh yes, when we took 1 out of here, we have 9 left. 9 minus 2 is 7. Decimal point, we have decimal point there, and we got a 7. So answer is 7.7. Answer is 7.7. Beautiful. Solve 100 minus 34.8. We'll observe that there's a decimal point here. There is none for the 100, so we will need to create 1. We have 100, so we'll create a decimal point. Okay, we'll create a decimal point. We will also observe that we've got 1 number after the decimal point. So let's just create 1, 2. Let's make it a 0. Let's highlight it. Okay, we made it up. Okay, and then we have what? Here the decimal point for the 34.8. We have our 8 there, we have our 4 there, and we have our 3 here. So we can go. Okay, we need to subtract 8 from the number on top there. So we need to make this bigger. So we borrow 1 from here. This one goes, becomes a 0. This is 10. Take 1 from the 10. We're left with a 9. Here 10. Left with a 9. Here 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. Decimal point, decimal point, decimal point. 9 minus 4, that will give us what? That will give us a 5. 9 minus 3 will give us a 6. So our answer is what? 65.2. Answer is 65.2. Beautiful. Solve 100 minus 75.69. So we've got decimal point here. We mustn't forget that. And then 100 doesn't have 1. We need to create 1 for 100. Okay. And we'll also observe we've got 2 numbers, 6 and 9 after the decimal point. That means 100 needs to have 2 zeros after the decimal point. Let's just highlight it. We have 1 and 1. So that's right at 75.69. We have the point first, we have a 6, and we have a 9, and then we have a 5, and we have a 7. We will be subtracting here. Okay. So we need to borrow 1. Let's change it to red pen. Borrow 1 from here. 10. So we take 1 out of 10. We have a 9. And then 1 out of 10 again. We have a 9. Bring the 1 here. Out of 10, we have a 9. And then we have 1 here. Make it a 10. 10 minus 9, it's a 1. 9 minus 6, 3. We have decimal point, decimal point, decimal point. 9 minus 5, it's a 4. And 9 minus 7 will give us a 2. So our answer here will be what? Our answer here is 24 point. Beautiful.